Hi there! In this video, I will be guiding you on how to set up Namecheap private email for your domain. So please listen carefully to each step. So before starting, make sure that you have purchased a private email plan from Namecheap. And this gives your domain a professional email solution. So first log into your account, and what you will have to do is you will look for domain list under the account section. So go ahead and click that. And once you're here, what you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you already have your domains, and then you will select your existing domain, and then you will click manage. And after that, you will just have to click private email from the left menu and select setup email. But before that, of course, you have to make sure first that you have a private email. And then finally, you will just have to choose a surname and password for your new email account. And then finally, verify your MX records and your MX records are configured correctly in advanced DNS. And then you will go ahead and click mail settings, and so that the emails can be sent and received. And make sure that you will save your changes. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.